We're going to have our brother Bruce come on up this road and take us back a little ways. We're going to have him carry you down the dirt road and back on up this creek along the harbor. And now, let you know who you are. Because sometimes, you know, you just need to get what the fortune carry a little while for you get understanding. But some of the time, you know, them children today, you had to say, times are hard. Things are changing. What harder time it could have been since slavery? You know? Y'all got things light there on the inside, fine there on the inside. When we been to climb up this, you been to fine. And you ain't had all of this shit. But yet, y'all are talking about time is hard. Really? Back when you had a one-bedroom house with 15 head of children in it. And the mama and the daddy. And everybody had something to fully belly with. But now you all got 15 women, 2 people there in it. And you don't want nobody to visit. But time is hard. For true? You really think so? See, that's why Papa them used to love this again. Sometimes you have to get out drawing upon the portraits of people and you have to take them on back to old landmark. And sometimes them children need to forget where it come from. But you know it love me. It said, honey ain't know where honey the dear from. Honey ain't going to know where honey the wine. So let we go back and we ways.
Don't you let nobody turn you around, turn you around, turn you around. Don't let nobody turn you around. Keep your feet on solid ground. Don't you let nobody turn you around, turn you around, turn you around. Children, don't you let nobody turn you around. Your foot's on the side. Hey, how y'all doing? God is good all the time. Even when we bad, he's still good too. Yes, sir. But look at my name, Slave down south. Check it out. I come from a country called Sierra Leone, way over down in the south, over there in Africa, way over there, across the smoke. Okay. I come here, brought me king over here on the ship. A lot of people died on that ship when I was coming over here. While the shots followed the ship all the way over here. All the way here. There was a man, he be changing. He be changing me. He died. I mean, him be talking. He died. He told me before he go, he said, Luke boy, don't let that turn you around. I work from king to king. I can't see in the morning till I can't see at night. Look down. Why my blisters got blisters? That's all right. I ran one time too. I ran so fast. I said, see you later, alligator. He told me, have a wild crocodile. I ran so fast. I passed the deer. I said, you better catch up because I was gone. I was leaving. They said there was a war going on up north. I want to fight. I can be free. But it never about me, never about me. It never about me. I want to say this in the, especially to the young children, to the youth. Don't let nobody turn you around. All the animals in the swamp are brothers and sisters. Old Bro Owl, with all his wisdom, old Bro Owl say, who you? Who? What you doing down here in my swamp? Yeah, old Bro Rabbit, Bro Fox, old Bro Coon, all that. Okay? Alright, but let me tell you something. Because they got a soul just like a man got a soul, just like you got a soul. That's why they call them, that's why they are brothers and sisters. My great-grandfather lived to be 114 years old. 114 years old. And all his stories were passed down to me. It's true, the life, walking through it. Alright, but let me tell y'all this story, especially when you young children. All right, once upon a time there was a mama eagle and a boy eagle living up high on the mountain. And the nest was getting too big, so the mama looked at the son and said, all right, boy, it's a big, pretty world out there. He said, you grown now, you getting big. I want you to go out here and see the big, beautiful world. Don't work hard, have faith in God, and do everything like I told you. The little boy told the mama, said, yeah, mama, I will. So she kicked him out the nest. Woo! He was way up on the top of the mountain. He said, whoa! He waved around, whoa! All of a sudden he got his birds and said, flap, flap, woo, woo, Mama was right. Woo, there's a big, beautiful world out here. Why, he's seen the Nile River. He's seen the Great Wall of China. He Niagara Falls, way up down in New York up there. Oh, he was flying, said, oh, Mama, oh, God, it's so good. It's a beautiful world out there. All right, all of a sudden he flew so long until his wings got tired, so he sat down on the limb to rest. When he sat down on the limb to rest, you looked over there to his left, there were two old bad clothes sitting there beside him looking no good. The two old bad clothes looked at the young boy and said, hey there, young boy, he said, how you doing today? What's happening today? What's going on? What's going on? The young boy looked at the two bad clothes and said, fine, sirs, fine, blessed. Oh, it's a big, beautiful world, isn't it? Ain't God good? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yeah, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? The old bad boy looked at him and said, oh, yeah. It's all right. Whatever. He said, hey there, boy, Eagle. He said, you see that old cornfield over there? He said, how about you steal some of that corn out the field and we'll split it with you? The little boy looked at him and said, oh, no, I don't steal. I wasn't raised like that. My mama taught me better. And by the way, he said, I'm an eagle. I don't eat corn. I eat meat. Yeah, the little crow said, okay, boy, check this out. He said, you ain't gonna steal none of the corn. He said, you just watch out for the farm with them little strong eagle eyes you got. And then we go get some meat. How about that? My. The little boy, he pondered, he thought for a little while. He said, all right. He said, okay, all right now, I'm gonna do it for you just this one time, but y'all better make it quick, because I got to go. I got to go see these people pretty well, like my mom told me to do. Hurry up. But they didn't notice that the old farmer was crouched down behind a tree with a shotgun, listening to that whole thing, and then, old farmer listening to that. All right, so two old bad clothes grabbed a big old bag, flew down in the middle of the cornfield, started stealing the corn. Why they got so much corn, the basket was so full he couldn't hardly get the basket up, they stole so much corn. All right, he finally got the basket full and said, come on, young boy, come on, fly away, let's go. All right, all three of them got airborne up in the sky. The old farmer, he came back. He come from around the tree, he cocked the gun. Boom! Killed the young boy. Young boy, he fell down. The two old bad crows didn't even go back to help. They said, see there? You will find the bad company. You got to watch the company you keep. It's called, your children, it's called being guilty by association. Don't let them tell you not to go to school. Don't you do it. And that's how the devil, he work. His job is to conquer, steal, and destroy. And slavery still exists. The modern day slavery is not a color thing. It's the lack of education. If you ain't got no education, in qualities. Don't let nobody turn you around. Keep your feet on solid ground. See, this here is where I stand. Everything else is sinking. God bless you. Nobody